What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 3 of 2022 for this tracker build. So right now we are headed out to Northern Tools to pick up some argon for the welder because we need to weld up that cage for our light bar. So let us get there. And when I say we, I mean Basuki in the back and Granny. Look, Granny there. Granny, what kind of words you have for these people?
Who are you talking to today?
The camera. You have nothing to say?
If camera could have talked, you would not say nothing. Yeah, camera would have talked.
It have people watching you.
All right, people, watch me.
Granny have many words. So let us head over to Northern Tools and I'll check you all when we get there. Hey guys, so we made it here at Northern Tools. So we are gonna go pick up our gas for this welder. And look, Granny here and she wheelchair. Oh, you mean the, they see her rolling. They hating, patrolling and trying to catch her riding dirty. Granny's riding dirty. Granny's riding dirty. Granny's riding dirty. Granny. I'm gonna see y'all when I get in there. Riding dirty. Granny's riding dirty. Yo, don't let her go. What are you doing? Guys, we are back home with the argon / CO2. So that's our oxygen for the welder. And now we are gonna work on building up our side rails, which will go along this rail, up and across through the roof to give us the length for our long light that goes on top. So let's get at it. Alrighty guys, so here is what happened. I ended up cutting one of my bars from this metal thing that I found, and I used it here. I cut it and then I bent it into the shape that I wanted, so it's like that. So this was just a mock-up. I even actually welded in the points. And don't worry, I did grind down where it was gonna weld, so all underneath where it's welding was grinded. What I'm gonna do next, this was just the practice part. This was the part that I was trying to figure out how am I gonna do this, because I am gonna show you B-roll footage of me doing the next side, and that's gonna be all on there, from the cutting to the shaping to the grinding to the painting, all that stuff. So I put this on here. It's welded. It's literally like on there. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna have to cut off these little fins. Once I cut off these fins, grind it down, mask off this side of the vehicle, paint it white because I do want it to match. And by mistake, I accidentally with the grinder hit certain spots and rubbed off the rhino liner. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I might just touch it up with some white right there and call it a day, because I don't feel like getting down the Raptor liner and retouching all that. So I think I might just mask off and just give it some little white polka dots somewhere. So whatever. It's an off-roader. It's going to get beaten up. But we're definitely going to paint the rails white. After we finish that side, we're going to put one straight across. Once the one goes straight across, then we're going to drill our holes and mount our top light. So let's get to it. We have our length of steel here. I measured it out, 22 on this side, 26 on this side, and this is our V-taper where we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut it in a nice V-shaped pattern, and then that's gonna help us bend our metal into the angle that we want, and then we're gonna weld it into place. So let's get onto that now.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Alrighty guys, so we finally got the second rail welded up as well as the first rails. So now we're gonna work on the top half. Now obviously I don't need to really show this stuff. I can just cut it, measure it. I'm just gonna measure from that distance to that distance. Put my pole, cut it if it's too long. And if it's too short, well then find another piece to extend or whatever. So I'm gonna make that in the meantime, then I'm gonna weld that up, and then I'm gonna show you guys installing the lights. Let's get it.
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Alrighty guys, so here is what we've done. We finally got the light bar up on the roof rack. We got the metal pole welded to each sides and it's looking pretty sweet. We gotta obviously paint that up, clean it up a little bit better, make it look a lot more presentable. Other than that, it's all there. We just have to wire it up and check if it even works. It should work. It worked last time, but we gotta wire it up, route the wire, tuck it away, really neat. Why am I stuttering? Really neat. And don't worry, I know it looks bare up there. We have a few more lights that is going to make it up there, as well as some lights on the side mirrors. This thing's going to be lit. It's going to be lit all over, so y'all don't need to worry, because I know it does look a little bit bare. But anyway, let's get right back to the video.
I got time to feel, I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
Alrighty guys, so basically what you saw me doing was extending my wire for the light bar. Unfortunately, it didn't go all the way. They did connect, but it was hanging midway, and we can't have a truck looking like that. So I ended up cutting, joining, and extending some wires, which gave us the extra length, so now I can neatly put this away, and that's what we're going to be working on.
How's it supposed to feel? always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick episode that we made. This was officially episode 3, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button below and also leave your comments in the comment section below because I really like hearing from each and every single one of y'all. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and also hit your bell notification so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Guys, definitely head over to kingcustoms.com if you have not had a chance to. You want to support the channel, you want to support your boy, you can get some of these stickers right over here. King Customs, we definitely have new merchandise coming out. I am just waiting for the graphic designer. Once that comes out, you'll get all your shirts and stuff that you need. It's super dope, super cool, so stay tuned and look out for it. But with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you for all the love and support, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace. Do it.